Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a website with Squarespace easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by navigating to the Squarespace website. Click on the Get Started button. You'll be prompted to select a template. Browse through the available templates. Choose the one that best fits your vision for the website. Once you've selected a template, click Start with this design. Create an account by entering your email address and a password. After registering, you'll enter the Squarespace dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the interface and options available. To start building your site, click on the Pages tab. Here, you can add new pages by clicking the plus button. Choose the type of page you want, such as a blank page or gallery. Name your new page and hit Enter. To edit the content of the page, click on it in the sidebar. A blank canvas will appear for you to add text, images, or other elements. Click on the plus icon to add blocks of content. Select the type of block you want to use, such as text, image, or video. Drag and drop the blocks into your desired layout. Customize each block by clicking on it and using the settings in the sidebar. To change the design of your website, click on the Design tab. Here, you can modify styles, colors, and fonts. Once you've finalized your design, go back to the Pages tab. Set the main navigation by dragging pages to rearrange them. Make sure to add essential pages like About, Services, and Contact. To make your website live, go to the Settings menu. Select Domains to connect your custom domain, if you have one. If you don't have a domain, you can purchase one directly through Squarespace. After setting the domain, return to the Settings menu. Click on Site Availability to switch from private to public. Preview your website by clicking on the eye icon in the top right corner. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.